Hello guys, and welcome to this awesome video where I'm going to be showing you how to actually create your unique GIF for your personal projects. Now all you have to do is to go to this website I found, deepfakemaker.io, then scroll to the other area, then scroll to the very last option here, AI GIF generator, and then scroll down here and input your GIF prompt here. Anything you want to input, you can do that here, and then it has given you a format. Say try puppy chasing tail, flowering process, the breath of coffee. So it should be short and direct to the point, and if you want to also go further in explanation, you can give a space and do that. Now you should also know that there are three possible ratios you can use: 1:1, 2:3, and 3:2. This is actually the size recommended for the GIF. So once you are done, you can just click on generate GIFs, and within few seconds your GIF would be ready to download by you. So all you have to do is now download your new GIF, and then there you have it, guys. So these are the GIFs that have been created by people here, and you can see them. They are really cool. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.